Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Because of the high voltage and high current used by microwave ovens, be aware that repairing this appliance poses a substantial risk for injury or death if precautions are not taken. You should always unplug the microwave before you attempt any disassembly. Since high-voltage capacitors used in microwaves may retain a charge even after the microwave has been unplugged, we recommend that only experienced professionals access and replace internal components. To replace the power cord on this Frigidaire microwave oven, you will need a T15 tamper-proof Torx bit, a Phillips head screwdriver, and needle nose pliers. Unthread the 6 rear screws securing the cover using the T15 tamper-proof Torx bit. Unthread the screw on the right side of the cover as well. Pull the rear sides of the cover out, then lift the cover up and pull back to fully remove. You should release the potentially stored electrical charge in the capacitor to avoid injury. You can do this by placing needle nose pliers with an insulated handle across each set of terminals. Note the orientation of the power cord power wires. Then disconnect the wires from the noise filter board. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screw to release the grounding wire. You can now lift the power cord strain relief out of the slot in the rear frame to fully remove the old cord. To install the new power cord, feed the wires through the slot in the rear frame and seat the strain relief in the frame. Slide the washer onto the grounding wire mounting screw. Then thread the screw to secure the grounding wire to the frame. Connect the power cord power wires to the appropriate terminals on the noise filter board. Reinstall the microwave oven cover by first aligning the top edge, then the sides. Thread and tighten the 7 screws to secure. Plug the new power cord in, and the microwave oven should be ready for use.